Hello everyone and welcome to the September update. My name is Miles. I'm a second line engineer on our service desk here at HAYNE.cloud. Today we'll be going over the latest and greatest from 365 from all their products and mainly focusing on Copilot. In this update we'll cover all the latest Copilot features in Microsoft Teams, Excel, PowerPoint, Word and OneDrive. We will also discuss exciting new features like Copilot Pages and Copilot Agents. We'll start with something new, Copilot Pages. So this is something you might not have seen before. Copilot Pages is a dynamic, persistent canvas designed for multiple user interaction and collaboration, and allows you to work together with the power of Copilot. The great thing about these canvases is they allow you to work in real time and collaborate with one another using Copilot's powerful capabilities. The great thing about Copilot Pages is it allows everyone to collaborate in real time. It's very quick and very efficient, and also gives everyone the ability to use Copilot at the same time. Next, we have Copilot in Teams. Teams meetings have been greatly enhanced by Copilot. Copilot reasons over both transcript and the chat to ensure no question or important point is missed. We can now have an overview of any meeting, including messages, in the chat box, and Copilot will provide a full summary. So we also have Copilot in Excel with Python. This is a very exciting update, simply because combining the tools and capabilities of Copilot with the powers of Python opens up so many opportunities. You won't need an in-depth understanding of the Python language to benefit from this feature as well. For those who are up to scratch with the programming language, this new functionality allows users to work with data effortlessly, combining the best of Excel with the advanced processing powers of Python. So next we have Copilot and PowerPoint. Building presentations just got a lot easier with the narrative builder. The narrative builder in PowerPoint is powered by Copilot. The reason why this is such a useful tool is because it saves a lot of time when creating new presentations. It allows you to focus on the content and not worry too much about the structure. There's many different things that Copilot can do to assist with the presentation to make it easier for you to build and to structure. Also, Copilot in Word. Coming later in September 2024, Copilot in Word will improve your writing workflows by seamlessly integrating content from the web data, work documents, and even encrypted files. The updated Copilot offers a new on-canvas start experience, providing suggested prompts and real-time collaboration features. With Copilot, creating a solid first draft has never been easier or faster. Next, we have Copilot in OneDrive. OneDrive users will now benefit from Copilot's functionality, which can reason over your files and extract insights and summaries without the need to open them. This feature is especially useful when comparing multiple documents or pulling key details from large files. This will be available from the end of September 2024. So lastly, we have another exciting new addition. This is Copilot Agents, and we're going to discuss how they assist with business processes. These powerful AI agents are designed to automate and execute repetitive business processes, freeing up your team for higher value work. Copilot agents scale with your business's needs, seamlessly integrating into your daily workflow via BizChat or SharePoint. With the Agent Builder, businesses can now create and customize their own AI agents right into the workflow, making it simpler and easier to leverage the power of AI for specific business tasks. The Agent Builder will roll out in general availability in the coming weeks, with additional features in SharePoint entering preview in early October. So that concludes the September update. Thank you for watching. I hope you found something useful, and I'm sure there'll be lots more to come from Copilot in the future. There'll definitely be some more new features from Microsoft, I can guarantee that. And if in the meantime, if anyone has any questions or queries, or if you're curious about anything we discussed today, please reach out and let us know, and we're more than happy to help.